Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. Have you ever heard of the plastic flute that still plays like a regular flute? I hadn't until someone mentioned it on the Amazon Flute comments, and you know what I had to do? I had to check it out. So I bought myself one, and I picked out a blue one, and this thing, it's very lightweight, and according to the company, they are known for being durable. So if you or your student or your kid is kind of clumsy or a little careless, this might be the instrument for you. There's nothing worse than like dropping your flute and getting it dented. A dented instrument, usually out of commission. This won't bend if you drop it. It's literally plastic. It's plastic. All right, enough talk. Let's play and see how it sounds. It plays. Plays low C. Let's see if it plays some higher registers. I'm very impressed. I'm not gonna lie. That was wild. This is a plastic flute. A plastic flute. That sounds just like my other flutes. This bad boy was $200. So this is cheaper than my student flute that I've been using in all of our other lessons. This is quite amazing. Now, I guess here comes to the next real test. This company claims that their instrument is waterproof, and even on their website, it shows a man playing this flute in the pool. He's not under the water playing, but he is in the water, like he dipped the flute, then played it. So we're gonna have to test this out. Let's go check it out. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about doing the water test with my Nuvo Flute. They claim it's waterproof and stuff. The guy in their video showed him in a pool, but I'm trying to think realistically here. Like, am I gonna be playing this in the pool? Are most people gonna be playing this in a pool? I don't know. I was like, maybe in a marching band and maybe it starts raining. So I think the shower is actually my closest to what's really gonna happen or could happen versus just me wanting to play in a pool. Plus, I don't know, like, there's chemicals in a pool versus just fresh water from the sky. So I'm gonna do mine in the shower. I'm really nervous because I still spent $200 on this thing. And if it doesn't hold up the water test, that's $200 I just threw down the drain. No pun intended. All right, let's check it out. Let's put it a little bit more in the water. I think I made more in the water. Let's see how it does after it dries off, even though it's been playing really well in the shower. This is crazy! Alright, so now we're a little bit more dry. At least the flute is. Still plays like a charm. This actually really blew my mind. I'm not gonna lie, my mind has been blown. Between the sound quality, it being waterproof, it's crazy. You know what? If your student is, well, if you have a kid and you're unsure because they're klutzy and all that kind of stuff, this flute here is the one to get them. It's made out of plastic, so it's not gonna dent. It's waterproof, so even if they get silly with it and take it to the tub, to the beach, to the pool, or if they want to play it in the rain, They totally can. This is insane. This flute is great. It's on my list. All right, thanks for joining me. If you liked this video and want to see other videos and watch our tutorials, make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so you don't miss anything that we have going on. All right, thanks for watching, and until next time.